Earning money as a teenager can seem like an uphill battle. But teenagers need money too. You need to spend your own money buying clothes, gadgets, hanging out with friends, and maybe looking cool. If you are a teenager and looking for 3 easy ways to make money from home as a teenager, you've clicked the right video. In this video, I will show you some opportunities for teens of all ages. So whether you are 13, 15, or 17 years old, there's a gig for you. You probably can't apply for most traditional jobs as a teen, so these awesome new methods are great places to start your adventure. But before we start, welcome to the Make Money Box, where I teach you the latest making money online tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel with the notification bell on, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below on what country you are in right now, because in this way, I will be able to create videos specifically for your country. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. Now let's get started. Method number 1 is to make money online by watching videos. Most people watch videos on YouTube. Why not earn rewards for these activities? So if you want to make money online by watching videos, then go over to this website called creationsrewards.net. This website has been online since the year 2000. So they've been operating for 22 years. So this is definitely not a scam because they would probably close in the first year if this was a scam. Now redeeming points on this website is very simple. You can cash out anytime you want. Let's get into the sign-up details for this website. So if we head back up to the top of the website, you'll find a sign-up section on the right side. This website will actually give you a $5 bonus for signing up. So you haven't even watched any videos yet. You haven't done any work, and you have already started earning money and made $5 for yourself. So all you have to do is fill out the required details, and you are good to go. If you go down right over here, you'll find that it says that watching videos is not the only way to earn money on this website. There are a bunch of different income streams on this website. You can take daily surveys, shop online, watch videos, explore websites, try offers, and much more. So this is an excellent website because you have so many choices to choose from. If you get bored of doing the same method again and again, then you can go ahead and try doing another form, and that way you can still earn money without getting burnt out. Method number 2 is to make money online by typing. Now to this website called talentdesire.com. Earn money online from home without investment. With Talent Desire, you can work at home and tap into a global work network. This website connects you with popular employers and begins doing work from home. This opportunity is absolutely free. You don't need any investment for any money to get started. Anybody can apply for part-time or full-time remote jobs from around the world for free. Here listed jobs are suitable for everyone, whether you are a housewife, retired person, freelancer, unemployed, employed, or teenager. You can see where they offer different opportunities to work from home, including online proofreading jobs, freelance blogging, language translation, online paid surveys, medical transcription, content writing, affiliate marketing, online typing, and many, many more. But in today's video, we're going to focus on online typing jobs because this is one of the easiest things you can do on this website. This is easiest because it requires no experience or technical skills. Their registration is absolutely free. There is no hidden cost before or after the joining, and they don't ask about investment to you at any stage. This is absolutely free, and it works worldwide. Now click the red button that says Apply Now. When you click on that button, you'll be taken to this page where you can fill out an online application by clicking on this red link right here. Now fill out the required details, then click the Submit button right here. Once your application has been accepted, you will be eligible to get work from our clients, and you will be able to make money from this website. But make sure you submit your jobs on time to keep receiving more and more daily jobs. Method number 3 is to make money online by searching. But before we proceed, don't forget to smash the like button and comment below what country you are in right now, because in this way, I will be able to create videos specifically for your country. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. Let's return to the video. Now go to this website, which is called mindsumo.com. You can very quickly head over to this website by clicking on the address bar of your web browser and typing in mindsumo.com. You may be wondering what Mindsumo is. MindSumo is a solution provider website. Here, companies ask for the solution to their problems, and if you provide an idea or solution that really works for them, then they will pay for this. MindSumo is an excellent money-making platform for someone who wants to earn money online. It doesn't matter your qualification to participate on the MindSumo platform. You don't need any skill to do that. This website works with many big companies such as Coca-Cola, Amazon, Yahoo, Facebook, Dell, Microsoft, etc. We can say that they are totally legit because if they weren't, these big companies would not work with them at all. Here you can see there are a lot of questions that people want to ask, but they don't find an answer themselves because of time. So this is an opportunity for us. We can come on here and answer those questions to make hundreds and hundreds of dollars. The amount of money you will gain from using this video will vary sometimes. You'll earn a lot and sometimes you'll only earn a few dollars. Now I'm going to show you how to sign up on this website to make money. You need to look for this button right here that says sign up. Simply click on it. This will take you to another web page where you can sign up for an absolutely free account by filling in these details right here. Once you log into your account after signing up, you're going to see all these different types of questions and projects, which you can quickly answer by using Google search and getting paid. You can see so many categories. You can select on the left-hand side such as business, engineering, computer science, food science, math and science, humanities and arts. Now imagine how much money you can make with this website. There will be no shortage of money to be made on these websites. New questions, new projects, and new challenges are added every day. Let me show you a project on MindSumo to see how much money people make with this website. You can see the total budget of any project. Now I will show you a simple Google trick and exactly how you'll get paid to search on Google. Come over here and select some of these categories. Simply select any of these projects you like, and you will enter that project now. This method will work with any project or any category that you want. I recommend you choose a category you're interested in because it will help you answer the challenges faster. Now you will be actually using Google to answer this question. Now what you would do is paste that question into Google. You will find so many articles relating to that question when you do that. As you can see, this is very professionally written. And using an article like this to answer the question will most likely get you in the top 5 winners, and you can make the most money. But you have to do some modifications first. It's important because if you use any article you can find online to answer a question on MindSumo, you will not make any money due to plagiarism. So you need something to rewrite before actually sending it over on MindSumo. To solve this problem, Quillbot.com comes in. Quillbot is an article rewriter tool. This tool will rewrite any article for absolutely free. It's going to come in very handy in this situation. You will need to copy the complete article and then paste it into some text editing software like Google Doc. Because by using Quillbot, you can rewrite any article in 5 to 10 minutes. But if you do it manually, it could take hours to do. But you have to check for mistakes after rewriting them. This might take a bit more of your time, but you want to do this. Because Quillbot is a web application. Some parts of your article won't make sense and you have to correct them, and it won't take that much time. Once you rewrite the article with Quillbot and check for any mistakes, you will now want to send the answer over to these people who will pay you for that. But there is one last thing worth mentioning. You won't get paid for every single one of these answers. So don't have unrealistic expectations and expect to earn thousands of dollars in 30 minutes that simply won't happen. Even if you get 5 people to pay you in 1 hour's worth of work, that will still amount to hundreds of dollars, which is a lot of money considering the amount of work and time you will have to put in. Since you're a teenager, you probably spend a lot of time playing games. Then make sure you watch this video where I teach how to earn $250 per hour by playing games in 2022 with proof. For more Make Money Online methods, make sure you check my other videos by clicking my Make Money Online playlist.